Hi, I'm Dr. Elizabeth Sperino, audiologist and owner of Cook Hearing and Balance. This is a video on how to clean your hearing aids. The first thing you'll want to do is take a tissue, grip the dome, and remove. Next, remove the sports lock. Next, take your brush and brush over the top of the hearing aid where the microphones are located. You'll want to turn it upside down and just brush. Now we're going to change the wax filter. So grab your pack and pull out a new filter. You have a removal side on one end and the new filter on the other. You're going to go straight in and straight out, and then you're going to flip the stick, go straight in, and come straight out. Now take your alcohol pad and wipe the body. And then wipe the speaker. Now take your tail or sports lock and slide it onto your speaker box. You want to make sure that the plastic is flush with the metal speaker so that your dome can fit on the end. And then tug on it to make sure it isn't easily removable. And that's it. Hit subscribe if you'd like to receive future tips. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.